an ever-warming climate, artificial albedo increases are becoming increasingly common, with things such as more white roofs and geoengineers creating artificial clouds to help reduce insolation. Our proposition is a mandatory worldwide dress code that states that everyone wears aluminum foil at all times. This is more of a theoretical thought experiment rather than a practical change, so we can't really force people to wear aluminum foil all the time, and also it's kind of itchy.
So we're going to need to make some assumptions for this to work. 1, everybody participates in the new dress code immediately. 2, the effect on Earth occurs instantaneously, so there's no system lag or anything like that. 3, everyone is always outside on the dayward side, so that everyone's accounted for in this change. 4, the albedo of aluminum foil is 0.7. 5, all albedo change takes place at the surface of the Earth. 6, the average surface area of a human is 1.7 meters squared. 7, 100% of the human body is covered in aluminum foil, so head to toe, all aluminum. 8, 100% of the human body surface area goes towards the change in albedo so that they're always standing, so that every part of them is reflecting sunlight at any one time. And 9, that we have enough aluminum to even make this work.
So now that we discussed our assumptions, it's time to do the math to see how the albedo of Earth will be affected by our new mandatory dress code. Bringing us to a new albedo of 0.31. Not much of a change, but we'll see how it impacts the Earth's energy balance.
This is the energy budget diagram that we did in class. All these numbers are in percent, and they're a percentage of the incoming solar radiation, which is 340 watts per meter squared. And then we use that number to get a surface temperature of 284.985 degrees Kelvin.
So what our project will do is we're going to change the albedo here to 31. And this is going to be reflected down here. And that'll affect this.
So with our adjusted emissions, thanks to our new albedo of 31, we can come over here . 284.335 Kelvin is our new surface temperature under our dress code.
So to summarize our findings, the current temperature is 284.985 Kelvin, and the temperature under our mandatory dress code would be 284.335 Kelvin.
So this gives us a total difference of 0.65 degrees Celsius or Kelvin, which in the grand scheme of climate change is actually a fairly significant change.
So we see that although our mandatory dress code might not be awfully practical, large-scale artificial albedo increases can truly have a significant impact and effect at mitigating climate change.
Yep.
In the end, the thing that keeps me walking is your shine. Your shine in the morning, your shine in the distance.